What's the meaning of cloudland? Cloudland. Cloudland.
Cloudland. Cloudland. Cloudland is a term used to describe a place that is high up in the clouds, often seen as the realm of the gods or mythical beings. It is a place of great beauty but also mystery, where the sky meets the land and magic seems to abound. The term is often used metaphorically to describe an idealized or unachievable state of being, such as a utopia or paradise. Overall, cloudland represents a sense of wonder, enchantment, and escapism that has captivated human imagination for centuries.